So as a HubSpot marketing executive, you already have these existing content libraries, probably maintained in some sort of a cloud drive like Google Drive or OneDrive, where you are already doing all of your collaboration and content creation, right? The first thing that we provide is a two-way sync with your existing library. So you don't really have to move your content anywhere. You can create multiple powerful links on top of your existing content. You can set different type of settings for these links through which you can generate leads or personalize the analytics. And finally, you can also align this library with the sales executives who are using HubSpot or other CRMs. And you can also check the content consumption. So we'll see how all of this can be done for HubSpot marketing teams. So let's check it out. So, as a marketing executive, even if you're using HubSpot, we recommend that first you come to the CloudFiles dashboard and sync your existing library. For example, if you are not using any of these platforms, then you can simply start uploading your files and creating your folders from your local drive. However, if you are, you can just click on this gear icon and you can hide or show any of these libraries, whatever you are using. There's going to be a very simple sign-in process. For example, let me quickly log out from my Google Drive and let me try to reconnect this. Just give it all the permissions. And now you'll see my files are instantly going to show up. So it doesn't really take any time for the files to come. Now that your existing library is here, now that your existing files are here in Cloud Files, the next step is you need to create those powerful links where you can collect those analytics and collect those leads. And you can create, and you want to use those links in your collateral that you're sending out through HubSpot. So you can simply create those links. For example, let's consider this particular Google Doc. So you can simply go and create multiple links with different settings over here. So for example, let me create a link that I want to share on the social media where I want people to, I don't want people to download, but I want people to enter their email whenever they are accessing my document. And secondly, let me also create another link for an email marketing campaign, and let's call it campaign one. And over here, again, I don't want people to download my content, but I don't really want any security. I don't want the email of the, I don't want the person to enter their email because I'm going to be using a different way of getting that email. Right. So now that I have these different links, I can copy them. I can configure these settings anytime, and I can go to my HubSpot. For example, I can go into my marketing emails or my social media calendar and use these links instead of attaching files or using the existing HubSpot content links that you are probably using. Once you do that, and once people start clicking on those links, all the analytics and everything that is being collected is going to be pushed into HubSpot, and so your sales team can stay aligned. And let me show you one more feature over here. So you have your library in Google Drive and OneDrive. Now you also might want the sales team to use this library, and you might want to see what exactly is the content consumption from the sales team. Mostly the sales team, if they are using HubSpot, they are in one of their records. They are either in a contact company or deal record, and the sales team can access this library from right here. So you see the same thing that I showed you there. All of those options come up over here. I can again go into that Google Drive and I can get the same file. And if I go on and attach this file to the contact and also create a sharing link, so you'll see that you also see this link back here. You see that I see this link which has been attached by a sales executive on a certain contact, and I can see how much analytics has happened on this link. And I can also see a holistic view of all of such links. I can export out of this analytics, and finally, I can see what the sales consumption looks like. So these were some of the use cases where you have your existing library as a marketing executive and you want to sync that library as it is. You want the sales team to be able to create links on top of that library, plus your own marketing executives to be able to create links and use it in your marketing hub. And this is how it works with the Cloud Files HubSpot integration.